Okay folks, the install is complete and it is permanent. Anything happens to these click and goes, I'm probably pretty much screwed. About the only thing that will happen, if it does, is something happens with the click mechanism, the spring, and I would have to work in this tight space because it's not going to come out. Even if I take the stainless bolts out here, all of that Loctite 3035 has been set in and it's permanent, and it is rock solid. I mean, there's absolutely zero flex on the mechanisms. It's very, very solid. I stand by Loctite 3035 for a fantastic epoxy for polyethylene. Low surface energy plastics. It's fantastic epoxy. Very expensive, but it works. You can also see in here I shimmed with pieces of this whole color, actually shimmed with pieces of polyethylene forward and aft, and now whenever I snap the drive in, there's no rocking back and forth, and it's solid. There's no play at all in the drive. So now let me demonstrate that. GoPro, stop recording. Again, this is that epoxy for polyethylene, or for low surface energy plastics. Loctite AA3035. You can get this off of Amazon. I think the current price is $48 for this tube. You're supposed to use a dispensing gun and a static mixer nozzle that has a helical pattern in it to mix the epoxy. I don't find that necessary. If you use a large enough dowel, and as you push that in, you mark where you push in one side and then you dispense equal amounts because of the 1-to-1 ratio. So anyway, let's take a look at the drive here. All right, there it is. There is absolutely no play fore and aft, left and right. It's solid. Now I can't operate it because the fin here hits the sideboard of the trailer here, but that's it. Rock solid. Flip these two like this and straight up. It resets the clips. You're all good to go. All right, heading out this weekend. Thanks for watching, everyone, and good luck if you do this. Drop a line, drop a question, anything like that. I'm glad to help. Bye.